Hello guys, my name is Vishal. In this video, let's have a look on this tool called Text Wrap. It has got make, release and text wrap options in it. But before going into that, we will just try to know what exactly text wrap is and how it will work. So generally, when you have some shape, let's say you are designing something, there's a shape and you want to put that shape and surroundings you have the text and it should respect that shape what you have created. Let me first create and then explain you how things work. Firstly, I need a text here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag a rectangle here. Okay, make sure that this rectangle has got no fill or stroke in it. It's just a simple rectangle, and then the effect will work only with the text area type. Okay, area type tool, and then just click on the path here. Okay, so immediately once you did this, you got a text which is basically a default lorem ipsum text what you get, and you want to put your own text here. That's well and good, you can do that. And I'm trying to make this text fit into the screen. Okay, that's good, and then deselect it. So this page is now full with text here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a ellipse or maybe a polygon here, and then hold shift and drag it, and I'm just putting it in the center like that. Okay, and I will align it and then change the color of it. Okay, that's good. So you see, first important thing is whenever you're doing this effect, make sure that the shape what you have created and the text what you have created should be in single layer. If there are more number of text layers, text objects, put it in a different layer. Okay, so the shape should be on the top and text should be the below layer. Okay, so just simply select the shape. Okay, go to the object, text wrap, and then say make. And what you should able to see is this text has automatically adjusted here. Okay, it's trying to move that text aside, and it's really doing the job good. And I can go to the text wrap options, and then we have the point here. Okay, which I can basically increase it, which generally gives more spacing from your illustration. Okay, from your shape what you have got. And on the other side, if I say invert wrap, okay, and then what it will do is it will put everything into the box here, into the shape here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say okay first. Okay, and select the text and then switch off the fill to see that text inside the shape here. So you want to type text which is respecting, or you want it should be precisely aligned with the shape, and this should be a great tool for you. Okay, I'll just switch back the color and then go back to the options and then switch off the invert and then say okay. We have this option here called release, which will undo that effect which you have got with the text wrap feature.